10 unknown facts about our solar system. 1. 1 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. 2. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the Moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. 3. Pluto, a cold place covered with ice, and its surface is between -378 to -396 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Although the skies are blue on Pluto, the snow is red because of its chemical composition. 5. On Saturn it occasionally rains diamonds. 6. There is no sound on space because here are no molecules to vibrate. 7. We are moving at an average velocity of 828,000 km/h. But even at that high rate, it still takes us about 230 million years to make one complete orbit around the Milky Way. 8. Fires can't start in space itself because there is no oxygen or indeed anything else in a vacuum. 9. There are 181 moons in the solar system. 10. Mercury sits closest to the Sun, but it's not the hottest planet. Instead, Venus, the second closest planet to the Sun, is the hottest planet. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel. http://www.youtube.com/channel/uceefk